So today we're going to talk about preparing our surfaces for a chemical bond to the carbon fiber. Before we can do that, I just want to go over some of the structural adhesive. This is from FGCI. It's methacrylate. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but one of the really cool things is they give you this applicator here that you can put into your caulk gun, and then it comes with a nozzle, and that'll make for a real nice bead then, you know, when we're laying it down on here so it doesn't go everywhere. But before we do that, we have to prepare the aluminum surface. Here we have Bondurite. It's a C1CR, which is the prep, the etcher from Henkel. And then we have the MCR Aero, which is the protective coating that goes on. I'm not a pro by any means, and that's why this first shot that we did here, we followed all the instructions, and yet not everything came out perfectly covered and protected. So what we're going to do here is do this again, and we're going to see if we can't do this better the second time. So, got my little cup here. Each time we're doing this, the lesson learned is to keep wiping it longer. And then the second part, after we do this, we're going to have to step outside and we're going to have to rinse it off. And you're not going to be able to see what I'm doing here right close to the camera. Pretty sure they probably want you to wear a mask doing this because it kind of does tickle the back of your throat. But there's a good heavy breeze in here. I don't know what else you want to really do without suffocating myself in a mask. I'm going to try to do better this time and really stick it on there. We're going to do one side at a time because like I said last time, it seemed like it needed to get more time to etch. So we're going to really work it in here today. Up to see if you guys can see this. Kind of see it turning like a milky white.